look at, this is my another Linux machine. This is another Linux machine. So if you see, this is a GUI base. This is CLI base. Minimal installation. Even when I start this machine, so maybe you look at that one, it is a 1 GB RAM only I used it. 1 GB RAM only I used it. Okay. Even I can use Firewall also, no problem. Okay. Firewall also, no problem. It's very fast. It will take very less space only. Okay. Yeah, I want to check the IP address first. IP addr. My IP address is 1.2. Okay, so 192.168.1.2. You can look at here. You can look at this place. Okay, ENS 33 192.168.1.2. So you have to get it. So like this. So first one is my GUI Linux. Okay, so that is my CTS 13 Linux one. Okay, so this is my Linux one. Okay, so my IP address is 192.168.1.59. Guys, compulsory. This next one is next Linux is my CLI Linux. 2 Linux I have. Okay, 2 machines I need it. That's it. This one or that one is not important. Okay. Okay, this is then 192.168.1.2. This is the my second machine. So this is the machine name. You want to know machine name, host name. This is my host name. Linux CLI. Host name is current Linux. It's a Linux CLI. Okay, and this name is usually this one. Okay, this is GUI. This is CLI. 2 machines are there. Just 2 machines. Think about 2 Linux machines. Not a GUI, not a thing. Okay, so what I'm going to say is, okay, just for our understanding, it is a Linux A is one machine, Linux B is another machine. Okay, like Control C. Like this is Linux B, Linux A. Or you can easily to remember because only this is difference, right? Linux 59, Linux 2. Okay, Linux 2 1.2, Linux 59, Linux 2. 2 machines. Remember that one, guys, because of what are the practicals we are going to do is FTP. Okay, FTP, NFS, CIFS. Okay, and SCP. Okay, for these practicals we need a 2 machines. Okay, minimum 2 machines we required. So mainly SCP, FTP, this communication is very important. Okay, so first one I want to show you FTP. Okay, the first one is FTP now because we done HTTP. How to use FTP is also we'll do it. Okay, thing is again same thing. First install FTP in a both server and as well as a client. So you have to install in a both machines. Okay, so also you can use install vsftp. FTP, vsftp. There is a difference is there. So FTP means file transfer protocol. vsftp means very secure. It means when you are transferring the FTP thing, means it is also file transfer protocol only. Both are same. Both are same. No difference. Only thing is vsftp is encrypt the data when it is transferring the files. Okay. So FTP is a file transfer protocol used for upload and download data from a Linux PC. Okay, so a Linux PC it is. Okay, upload and download, we use it. Okay, install thing, and also for use it for store, upload and download. So basically like a backup storage purpose. This is also used for backup storage. Okay, website, web pages, upload to web servers. Okay, web servers. Okay, so you have web server, you want to upload a web page. So to upload a web page, FTP services are very useful. So this is one thing. Okay, guys, it is required a little bit pushing is required to understand. So then we'll see how to do it. Okay. So first install FTP in both the server machines, both Linuxes. Okay, both Linuxes, VMs, virtual machines. Okay, and file transfer protocol. We can use FTP or vsftp. So what I'm doing, yum install. First of all, info vs vs also vsftp star yum info ftp star. Both I'm trying. Okay, so remember guys, 13 means 59. Okay, this is 59 system. What I'm doing is first 59 system yum info ftp star. When you use ftp star, so it is showing ftp package is available, and also it's showing vsftp. So in a vsftpd sys vint, something is like a sysv script for like this, it is showing. Okay, vsftpd ftp is ftp, service name is ftp, package name is ftp. So what I'm going to do is yum install ftp and also vsftpd. I'm installing both. I'm installing. Okay, you can install one, you can install both. We'll see that one. Both I'm installing. No package available ftp. It is installing only one. So confuse. Okay, don't worry. One by one we'll install. Yum install vsftp d-y. What is y, guys? When you put an installation, it is asking, do you want to install? Do you don't want to install, like that, right? So I don't want to give wait for a yes and all kind of stuff. That's why I'm giving yes first only. So it verify the packages, resolve the packages, it install. Installation is completed. No need to wait for a yes or no. Also I'm installing FTP. Okay, I installed FTP. Installation completed. So installation is completed. Yum install vsftp d space -y. So I confirm the name. So D is there. Okay, sometimes certain things don't have a D. So like this, FTP don't have a D. Okay. So I installed both the packages. So you can install only one. That is vsftp is the best always. Okay. So you have to use vsftp. Guys, after installation, what to do? What is the next step after installation?
Start.
Installation. installation first step. Next step is very good. Very good. Systemctl at service name, right? Like that's it becomes systemctl. First, I'm going to check the status. FTP status is there or not. FTP service is not found. Why it is not there? Maybe it is already started. Okay, no problem. vsftpd. The vsftpd service is there. So I'm going to start the service and enable the service. I'm also enabling the service. Service is enabled. Then go to status. So service is enabled in the boot time and also it is activated. So vsftpd related thing is there. Okay. I don't add everything. So vsftpd is accepting. So FTP is, I think, not required. Either you use sudo command or you may use like this. Service start. Next. Guys, when you the default location, next one is configuration and file settings kind of stuff, right? So next one is your configuration. So our location is ls space /var/ftp/pub. Okay. If you want to see the lszd, right? The content is public content. The content on this one is public content. Okay. So what are the data you put it inside this pub file? What are the data you put it in this pub file? That is can be accessed through FTP service. Okay. So I'm going to put some data inside the cat greater /var/ftp/pub, and I want to put some data, right? FTP file. Put something name like pf1.txt. Okay, and this is just a file, guys. It's a pf1.txt file from FTP server. Control D. So I put a file in this location. Finally in this location. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is how to access. You configure once. What to do? Restart the service. Restart vsftpd. So totally we are doing vsftp first. And I'm going to my system. Okay. So in this one, FTP, I don't have any FTP applications here. Maybe my browser will support. I will try 192.168.1. Yeah, no. Mine is local, right? So I can use local host. See, local host FTP protocol, FTP service, pub. Go to pub. This is the file. You can download the file. This is only for downloading. You can't upload because they didn't give any option for uploading. This is the file. See, file is available. And also you can use 127.0.0.1. Okay, pub. The same file is available. You put a more files. Okay, you want to put a more files. Also you can put it like you can go 2 file. So I put this is pf2 file from vsftp control D, something I put it. Now try again, just refresh, pop, see 2 are showing, but in generally when you update, compulsory restart the service. Okay, compulsory restart the service. See, file is there. See, that is I'm uploading to my system. So I'm in my system only. So when I put the files, I can able to access. Can I able to access from here? Okay, so it will give you problems. So we'll see that one. FTP may not work like this. Earlier years it is working fine. Like this. So it is asking open Internet Explorer. No, I don't want to open. So you can use a Firefox and stuff. Using Firefox, maybe, or you can use Edge browser also. Okay, you can try with Edge browser because it's a FTP one. The old FTP is there. Yeah. So last try. I think we forget one more. This is my Firefox. So this is save. Guys, we'll go to new. So what I'm trying to do is, this is my server. First one is, this is my server number 59. Okay, so 59. Okay, so here I installed FTP. So mainly I installed vsftp. Okay, next in a /var/ftp/pub directory, I put some files, pf1 file and also pf2 file I put it. Okay, and I use a web browser inside this PC. I use a web browser inside this PC, so I can able to access with the directly. You can use a FTP :// or a IP address. So then I got a pub folder here. Inside a pub folder, I can able to see my files pf1 and as well as a pf2. That's it. That's what we done up to now. And now I'm trying to access to my physical machine, means remote machine. I want to access FTP with IP address, and still it is showing try to access with a different names and all. Maybe because of 2-3 reasons. One is authentication problem. Second one is IP address kind of problems will be there, right? So we will put a ZD. One is access related. Configuration related problems also may be there. So firewall related problem can be there. Okay, firewall related problems also will be there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first of all, configuration related any problems are there, we'll check it. ls space /etc/ftp, press the tab button. Do you have any configuration related problems? FTP, no. Why it is FTP or vsftp? vsftp configuration file. Okay, so like this. This is the configuration. FTP users also there. Okay, so use VI editor. Anonymous enabled, yes. Local enabled, yes. Writable, yes. Local umask is there. Yeah, okay, no problem. vsftp ch1 uploads ch username. See, these are the configuration file. Compulsory, guys. You must know how to look at the configuration. Even you don't understand the configuration file, not a big problem. Listen, no. Listen, no. Insert. Listen, yes. I will change it, and I remember what we are changing. Listen, yes. I'm changing. Escape. Okay, no to yes. I changed it. Listen, IPv6. Yes. That's it. So I will try once again. That is one. Second one is FTP users. So these are all users. Nobody. This is a list of users. So no problem. You want to add a users? Also you can add a users also. Again, restart the service. Okay. So something got failed. You can see something got failed. So compulsory you have to check the status. Something we done a mistake. See. Start of the service is there is a column, then it is saying go to journal D. Journal means so it is logs we can verify with a journal. So where the mistake is happened, it is trying to say. Okay, so like this, where the mistake is happened, you can able to go and check it the system. Okay. Where what is you done, so like that you have to verify from here, but I'm not doing anything, guys. Simply I'm going to configure where the place we are change yes to no kind of stuff. I'm reverted back. So find where is the local array. Listen port number, right? So listen, I change it to yes. Having no. Now no, and try to restart the service. Now it is not throwing any errors. Status, everything is clean. So that's a mistake. Yeah. Don't worry about it. And the last time also I'm unable to access this one, and it is asking like this. But thing is, you should add it to firewalls. One is you should add it to firewall first of all. ---- zone. Okay. Public permanent add. You can put a port numbers. If you want to put a port numbers also, you can put it 2021. 2021. Both are port numbers like a 20, 21 /TCP. Successful, no mistake. 2 port numbers, right? No mistakes. Okay. Or you can add in a service wise. Service equal to vsftp. Not understanding that one, we'll try vsftp. Not understanding, you can use ftp. Yeah, it is successful. Okay, either like this or like that, we can able to add it. I'll also remove it also. You can add as well as a remove. Successfully removed. Okay, we added already port numbers. Okay. Next, reload. Next, list all. Okay, the port numbers are added. Okay, try last one time. Still it is showing a open with Internet Explorer, open link, and even it is won't open. It is nothing will work. Again, it will open Edge only. Okay. See, it is FTP kind of stuff. Waiting. Okay. Anyway, we done a firewall kind of stuff. Configuration is done. So configuration. Oh shit. I didn't write that configuration. But it won't work anyway. Configuration, right? That's why don't teach everything. If you start teaching everything, then it will confuse. So first one is, guys, very simple. You done a installation done. This FTP is always confused only. Okay, always give you problem. So I put a file in this location. So remember, so what I done, and check it what it is. The files are located, and you want to put a more files, and also you can try. So what I done, so I opened my default web browser and I checked it in my PC only. Okay, so that's it. So I didn't do much thing. Okay, so if you want to edit, you can edit the configuration as per your requirement. Next one is firewall access. Okay, next one is firewall. The firewall also added a firewall. Okay, I added a firewall. If it is not working, then also we'll see. Okay, so first is I added a 2 ports because FTP 2 port numbers. I added a FTP. So I'm trying to add this thing. It is not working like this. You can add a service and how to remove. Okay, just for this is example only. Okay, first one is enough. Control Z. Do like this. Do like this. This is correct. So this is how to add, how to remove. How to add a service, how to remove. Add port, remove port. This is the extra. I try to show you. That's it. Next one, guys. The first one, what we done. The first one what we done. This is the service. We added files and we try to access. We have to try to access from remotely also. But remotely we can't able to access. So we'll go to the next part of thing only. So this is a second, another Linux machine. This is Linux. This is Linux. Okay. So here small understanding is important, guys. First of all, this is a user. Okay, in a Linux, a particular user. For example, username is Vijay. Okay, username is Vijay. Vijay has a data. Vijay has a data. I want to access Vijay data from here. Listen very carefully. I want to access Vijay data from here. This is the part 2 of FTP. Okay, I want to access Vijay data from here. Okay, from here I want to access. This is the Vijay data is here in our PC. Okay, I want to access from here. So I will upload the data and I will download the data. Understand? So what I will do? What I will do? I will upload. Put it in some green color, like upload file, and also we download file from second PC only, from second PC, and you should verify from this PC. Okay, so upload and as well as download. Both the things are there. Carefully we should do it. Okay, so this is my second PC, so we have to do it. So second PC IP address we already know. Guys, I log in as a root here. So look at my first one. This is my root. So we can open a tab here. Okay, just I'm open a tab. So don't worry what I'm done. su space hyphen Vijay. Okay. pwd Vijay home directory ls. Nothing is in there. Vijay's file. So I'm going to create some file in Vijay's. Okay. I'm creating vj1. Okay. So this is vj1 file by Vijay in 59. Okay, this is the file I have. So here you can see. Look at this is my 59 PC. Remember what I'm doing. So I'm going to second PC. So this PC, the PC IP address is 1.1. Second PC. Okay, so go to putty and 192.168. So 1.2 appearance. Now it is 2 o'clock. 2:22 is good. Okay, open. Yeah, this is my 2. It will take time. No problem. So wait for a thing. Why it is not connecting? Restart session. Accept. Yes. Normally I'm logging as a root for a first time. Okay, so admin@123. Of course, for client side also you need a FTP should be installed. So yum install FTP. Now this is last part, don't worry. I didn't give a cleanup and M repository. So because of so many days I'm not using this one. So many days means almost like 1 month. So it is still trying to update this thing. Guys, understand scenario? The scenario is simple. Is firewall D completed? Scenario is this part. Two machines part. Okay, so here it is. Vijay is a user and Vijay having a home directory. Okay, this is Vijay. From here, okay, access Vijay with FTP. Access Vijay files. Okay, next. Download a file. So which is I created. So downloading file. And also I will create a file in my local PC. Then I will upload also. It is already installed. No problem. Now command is ftp. Guys, I'm in a second BC. So first BC IP address. What is first BC IP address? 59. Now it is asking username. Don't use root. Okay, so you should use any existing user. Vijay. Yeah, it will give you wrong. It will give you a column. Yeah, successful. Then it is very good. Okay, then very good. ls. No route to host. Login successful. No route to host. Okay, bye. Yeah, it's giving column. I told. So important thing is, guys, compulsory login with Vijay is compulsory. So then only we can do this practical in this PC. Okay, user. It is always confusion will be there. So Vijay login, first login with Vijay. There I just switched. Okay, so that is only switching, but originally we should use login. Okay, so ls, yeah, one file I already created. So this is Vijay is login in a 59. Okay, in 59 Vijay is login successful. Step by step understand. User is login. Okay. Otherwise we can't access. Now this is a second PC. Okay, this is the second PC. I login with the root. Okay. Now again put a FTP. First PC IP address. Enter. It is asking which user you want to log in. I want to log in with Vijay only. Password. Now it is showing successful. Okay, successful. That is very important first. And put a command ls only. No route to host. Why it is entering passive mode? No route to host. Why no route to host? Why it is one side it is times up, another side it is giving biscuit again. Firewall services, service wise add it. Reload. All. Install both the things. Install service ftp status. ftpd also not there, so it should not give column. Added a service ftp here. Okay, and try ls. Why ftp reload Vijay. Password is also Vijay. It is logging successful. Yeah, now it is showing. It's not understanding that one, so I successfully done this service kind of stuff. Yeah, this is working. Okay, so this is important. Okay, guys. So ls. So it is showing VJ1. It is showing VJ1. Okay, now I want to download. I want to download into my PC. Download means get VJ1. I download it into my PC. How I know it is downloaded? How I know it is downloaded? Exit. Check in your local PC. See, VJ1 file is in your local PC. Okay. Now I have some PC file is there GF1 in my first PC in my .2 means in the second PC I have a gf1 file. So look at here, cat gf1 file is there. See, there is a, this is gf1 file. Okay, GUI from like this, something is there. Okay, this is gf1 file. I want to upload. Okay, I'm connecting to my remote PC, login. Okay, so Vijay, login. I want to upload. Put, first of all, check it, ls Vijay1. Okay, this is one. Okay, now I want to upload. Upload means put gf1 dot txt. Yes, uploaded. I uploaded. So how to check uploaded? Then go to this file. Like here it is ls. See, file is uploaded. Cat gf1 file. See, same content only. I showed a content right here. This is the file. This is the content in this file. In this one. Okay, it is showing in this system. This is how to upload and download. Very simple, guys. Compulsory add a, this is important. Don't remove it. Now compulsory add service FTP to firewall. I'm just trying like this. Already added a port numbers. I'm added a port. So login with. So first of all, I'm putting Linux 59. This is my first PC. Okay, so 59. Login with Vijay compulsory, and this is home directory. Okay. Yeah, it's a scenario, right? So, 59. Login with Vijay. So pwd. Okay. /home/ Vijay. Okay. So I'm telling so what to do. Okay. So what I done, I'm just showing. Okay. So then create a file. Okay. So create a file. So like a cat Vijay1. So you created a file. So check it. File is created. ls Vijay1 is there. Okay. So okay, ls Vijay1 is there. That's it in your system, in your server. The next one is in a Linux. I have two systems. Second one is second two. The first one name is 59. Okay. Here it is. Put FTP. Put 192. Yeah. Sir. Class unna sir. మాకు Okay, Sai sir call me for tomorrow's. Okay, this is first PC, right? 59. That is the IP address. Okay, what is the IP address of this one? This is the IP address, right? From this PC, I'm putting like this. This is the machine. Okay, now it is asking a login. Okay, login username it is asking. So I'm giving Vijay because okay, and also it is asked password. I'm giving Vijay. Okay, so then it shows like a FTP like this, and put ls. It shows Vijay1. Now I want to download. To download, what is the command? Get file name. Okay, so make sure it is downloaded into your PC. How you know it is downloaded? So how to come out from it is like a buy. If you have a two terminals, no problem, guys. If you have a two terminals, you can get it. Okay, so easy. So go to buy, then you will get a your PC only. You will get your root only. Okay, so login as a root here. So you can log in with any user, no problem. You can use root or any user. Any user, no problem. Okay. Then you once you got this here, so what you okay, so you done. Buy means you are out of FTP. So check ls. Okay, check ls. VJ1. It shows VJ1. Now what you do? If you have already file, no problem. So what I'm going to do is I put a GF1 file, right? I uploaded. So I have already file is there. So make sure that file is there. Now what to do? I want to upload FTP again. Connect the remote PC. Again, username. Okay, so username, login name. What is it? Is login name, username, whatever it is. So again, I'm uploading to Vijay only, right? I'm uploading to Vijay only. Password. Vijay's password is Vijay only. Okay. Again, I got a FTP. So now what I want to do? I want to download. I want to download GF1 file in. No. I want to upload. I want to upload gf1.txt file. Okay. Upload it. Then you can able to remove it. Okay. Bye. So completed. Upload, download. Okay. Now what to do? You have to go to this PC. Go to this PC. Okay. Linux 59. So another PC. So go to Linux 59. So user is Vijay only. Because Vijay home directory, right? We are in a Vijay home directory. So put a ls. So you will get a Vijay1, that is first one, and also gf1.txt. This file also you can able to see. Okay, that is what the practical I done like this. Okay, guys, look at here again. ls. This is my Vijay's folder. Vijay's one. So CTS 13. Okay, remember this is CTS 13. CTS 13. ls. Two files are there. I'm going to create another file. Okay. Vj2. Okay, and this is Vj2 file. Okay, from CTS 13. Okay, remember it is a CTS 13. Otherwise, easy way. Last. Okay, so done. I created a file in my Vijay. Next, this is by here. Again, ls. I have a lot of files here. Lot of files are there. Anaconda, so many are there. But what I'm going to do is in CTS 9. So I'm going to create file here also. Okay, gf2 file. Okay, so this is gf2 file from CTS 9. Control D. Completed ls. You have a gf2 file. I want to upload and as well as the download. Okay, from here, second PC. from second PC, again, scenario is upload gf2 file and download vj2 file. Okay, download vj2 file. So it is from your Linux 2. So in Linux 2, I'm connecting from Linux 2. Okay, it means it is CTS 9 PC. Okay, CTS 9 PC. So question is connected to Linux 59, or we can use CTS 13 PC. Okay, connected to PC and upload to PC. User is Vijay. User is Vijay. Okay, and upload gf2 file and download vj2 file. So this is the scenario. So I'm in my second one. Okay, so this is my root. Okay, ls I have a gf2 file, vj1 file. Now how to connect first one? Tell me, command guys. Last please. Again 315 330. Okay, 315 again. So I have only 1 hour. You have only 1 hour. Tell me how to connect 59 BC. First command, how to connect with FTP. People are there or left already? Some people will be there, na? Yes, 17 people are there. Yeah. How to connect 59 BC? Connecting. I want to connect to this PC with Vijay user from here. From here to here, I want to connect. What is the command? Just now only I told. You have to connect it to this means you should know this name or IP address, right? From here connecting. FTP. What is the IP address of this one? 1.59. Okay. Everybody is sleeping or not? I usually don't understand anything. It is having so many things. That's why I'm trying to summarize. Guess what to do now? At least from here. How to connect with Vijay user? Vijay is in 59. Hello. Give the password. Okay. Connected. First one. ls. So in Vijay, there is a 3 files: vj1, vj2, gf1. My scenario is download vj2. Download vj2. How to download? What is the command for downloading? What is the command for downloading?
Get vj1.
Get.
Okay. For download, get is a command to download. Okay. Put is a command to upload.
Load.
Okay. Another command is there, mget, means multiple downloads, means multiple files you want to download, that is mget. Mput, lot of commands are there guys, but multiple files you want to upload. Okay. Next, what is by? What is by means exit. Okay. And also we use another command is ls. You know the list. Okay. List content kind of stuff. So remember these commands. Very basic command. Otherwise, you can put a question mark to know what are the commands are available. Lot of commands are there. Okay, look at here. So I want to download, right? Get first of all ls get vj1 vj2 get vj2 downloaded file. If you want to verify, you have to connect and see. So I'm not doing it. Next one is upload gf2. Upload gf2 uploaded, and then disconnect by ls vj1 vj2 is downloaded. See, look at here. In my PC, vj2 is downloaded. In this PC, uploaded or not, gf2 is uploaded, like that, guys. So what I done, I downloaded. I will use the blue color for a download. Like I downloaded vj2. Okay, I downloaded vj2. Okay, and I use this color. Okay, I uploaded gf1 and gf2 also. So gf2 you can see here. I downloaded vj1 and vj2. Both I done it. Okay, put and get. For download, put. For download, sorry, mind is completely gone. Get. Okay, to download, get. For upload, put. For disconnect, by. Okay, so these are the things about your FTP. Two things in FTP. One is through the web browser, you can access the FTP kind of stuff. Okay, how to access with the web browser or any application, FTP application, you can think. This is profile wise access. So what sir it is? That's it for now. So come back at 3:15 like that. Okay.